Do you have videos that are gorgeous, but they're just not performing? They're not leading to sales? Well, I'm here with Molly, and we're at the eWomen conference, and she's going to give you some tips to change that up.
Because we want you to be in a place where people are ready to throw a credit card at your face.
Exactly.
Right? Okay, so this is a really awesome tip for you, which is you want to make sure that you set an intention and an objective with your videos. Because if you're only setting an objective, which would be to have sales or to convert people to your list, if you're only setting that objective, sometimes you seem like a salesy weirdo. Right? If that's all you're focused on.
Yep.
And conversely, if you only set an intention, which is like to connect, let's say, then you're not going to make any offer and there's no strategy behind it.
Right.
So you want to do both. So we were just recently talking too about how it's so important to be able to connect with your audience in your videos. Mm-hmm. So I love that to be like my general intention is to connect, right?
Okay,
provide
cool.
value. And you want to make sure that you're also using some sort of strategy to get people to convert, which is usually a general objective for your video. And one really great way to do that, I know you do this too, is to ask them to do the thing that you want them to do.
Yes.
Mind blown.
Wow. Did we set an intention for this video?
We didn't. I did in my head though. You want to know what it is?
Here it is.
Okay, so my intention for this video is to connect with you, show you some of our fun personality, empower you to know that this is possible for you. Mm-hmm. My objective is going to be to get you to comment below this video if you want more information about how you can get really clear about your intention and your objective with all of your videos.
Very good. Objective on the fly. Molly is great. So we will see you after you make that comment. We'll see you in the next video.
And can I say? Where's this going to be?
This will be LinkedIn and YouTube.
Okay, perfect. So I think there's a way that you could actually subscribe and to follow as well too,
yes,
right?
At least on the YouTube video.
Yeah,
yes,
so you want to make sure that
that
you're asking them to take that next step so that they can show up and get more.
Yes. Thanks, Molly.